Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and block users on Reddit. This is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So for example, let's say there is this one user that keeps on commenting on your photos, talking about how ugly you look, how bad you are, and you are tired and sick of it. So now you want to simply go ahead and block this person. All you need to do is click on this user right over here and click on his icon one more time. Once you've done that, all you need to do is on the right hand side of the screen, there's going to be his username, and beside it is going to be this three dot icon. Simply go ahead and click on that, and on the second option is going to be block account. Once you've clicked on block account, it's going to simply go ahead and say you've blocked. In order for you to go ahead and unblock, if you want to, you can simply go ahead and click on manage who you've blocked and simply go ahead and unblock the person, right? So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.